back at 9 months later. Yeah, we're gonna I gotta install a new thermostat in my car. It overheats and idle, so I got that from Subaru. Thermostat, coolant, I gotta go buy distilled water and some pans. That's what we're gonna do, and a new card for this camera because it's not good enough. So I'll waste a bunch of money, but you know, it's whatever.
Did you guys see my wallet?
Yeah, he needs his wallet.
I need some more of this.
It's fucking...
Oh shit, we should do a house tour later.
Yeah, we're in a house right now. So we're in college. We're in college.
We've been in college.
We've been in college for a minute. Oh, it's dark. Oh, you can't see. Sorry, guys.
Oh, hey Trent, it's our friends.
Hey, how you doing?
You know me.
Back at it again. Back on his bullshit. We need distilled water. Ah, yes. Should we get 1 gallon? It's 94 cents. Should I just get 2? It's going to be diluted. If I dilute it too much, though, it's going to freeze block. Get 1. We need more.
Yeah.
We'll get more. Now we need trays, and I need a new SD card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. This is what college is. 72 cents for chili.
Bro, you gotta quit taking me to Walmart, bro. I can't be spending money like this.
Okay, let's not go get... You don't need chips. Let's go.
Bro, I need that.
So we got the goods.
Do you think they trashed it?
No, they didn't
They
trash
walked up to it,
it.
they were like, who the fuck is this?
No, I don't think they trashed it.
They walked out there like, of course somebody parked right next to us. We parked on the opposite side of the lot. And
No ding squad.
No ding squad.
Shout out Evan Shanks.
They walked over to my beat up ass car and they're like, this guy definitely dinged us.
Yeah. We got the goods. He's got a bag and I didn't get back. You know, it's whatever. It's cold too. It's freezing. It's winter already. It's October 10th and it's already winter.
I don't know why everybody's complaining though, because last year it snowed on like October 4th. Remember?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but still, I'm gonna still complain. What are you talking about? Hey, boy, Honda.
Oh fuck, I don't want to work this garage door.
Shouts out to Diddy for hooking up with the lamp, so we can see.
Shouts out to Jamie Welsh. Shouts out to Frank DeMarco. Shouts out to Mac. Shouts out to Kraft Cheese. Shouts out to Bigfoot. No, definitely can't use Walmart bags to catch a coolant.
Like, I just want, like, I'm legit asking, like...
Okay, good point. Let's do it.
Well, like, I mean, like, the top and cut that radiator hose so it doesn't leak up like that. After we do this. Like, I need your help, though.
Okay.
Like, it's already leaking.
Okay.
Like, leaking, like...
Need me to lend you a hand?
No, I mean, like, grab my ass. Yeah. Yeah, well, we got the coolant out. Well, I mean, the little radiator hose off. Joe It's a big help.
Coolant in my mouth, bro. Fucking on my arms, on my shirt.
I mean, I got your shirt.
You guys like my shirt?
Legalized R34.
I don't even like R34s that much.
Sweet, no, the
fuck are we
coolant. The coolant good.
Look at this.
That's good coolant. Like, seriously, like. It is. Because it's supposed to be dark green.
Well, here, let's use a piece of paper for reference.
Well, I mean, it's dark green coolant. That's what is Subaru coolant.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Okay. So I don't have any problems. That's good. You're good.
Oops. This is a religious thing. My bad.
I mean, honestly, we did not a bad job. Like, making it not a mess.
Oh, yeah, we're
That could have gotten a lot worse.
Like, when we were 16, this shit would have been all over.
Oh, it would have been everywhere.
When you were 16, this
Your dad would have been pissed, or my dad would have been pissed.
Yeah, my dad definitely wouldn't have been pissed. Because when we were pulling the Jeep's engine,
Yeah.
literally, like, pulled it out, and then, like, the engine tilted backwards, and just... So, like, the whole garage floor is, like, black now.
Jeez.
Like, oil,
Well, this is
coolant,
my
power
car.
steering, ATF, everything, dude.
Oh, ATF. That'd suck.
Just it was just
Yeah.
soup, dude. It was, like, purple.
That would suck.
And he was like, oh, shit.
I'm taking a shower, too.
I like it, though. I like being, like...
I haven't been like this since...
No,
I mean, I did the coilovers and I didn't feel like this. Feel like you worked on a car? Even though we worked on it for 2 seconds and you just pulled the radiator hose off?
No, I mean, it's like not working on the car. It's like sitting in the garage. You know what I mean?
I remember those days. Those nights. The
Well,
nights.
it's like you can just work slow, you know, and like it's not a rush.
The whole thing has to be on the top. And it sits inside the... So, like, this is the engine. And this has to be up top. Pretty sure. We're gonna might have to look this up again, but... So you just wanna... It's 2 10 mils. That's all it is. For a long ass time. Check this out.
I'm missing the 11 millimeter and not the 10 millimeter. Isn't that wild? You ever seen that before in your life?
Have an extension.
Oh, I also have my other 10 millimeter. I have all my 10 millimeters right now. Yeah.
I mean, it is. It's really slow drain. Okay, can I have a 10 mil, please? I don't want a crescent wrench.
The sink.
Okay, well, this camera's gonna die sometime. We got the thermostat out. It's 1 o'clock.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Are you shitting me?
I'm
I got
like,
class like in an hour, bro.
This is the old one. The gasket's pretty mangled. Not really, actually.
It's pretty fucked.
Yeah, it's not. So this is the old one. Supposedly this one is not opening up. I think. I'm not actually sure. We'll find out. If it's not, I'm gonna be really kind of pissed. This spent $30. This is the new one. We're gonna put it in. Ooh, we need this open, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Put coolant in it.
What in that?
Yeah. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna fill the reservoir with distilled water, the rest of it, so there's still coolant there. Then pour coolant into the engine. And then, just to clarify what we did, it's just 2 bolts, 10 millimeter bolts. Yes. To open up the thermostat housing. You just pry this one out with we used a flathead. This is mine. It's pretty shitty. And then you just put it in like this. Just put it in there, put the housing back in, then you put the hose back on, and then you fill up with coolant. That's what you do. It's pretty easy. Simple. Is it? So, we are just letting it run. Idle, you say.
Shouts out to Yerba Mate.
For the merch, for the drinks.
Sponsorship.
Sponsorship. Oh shit. Oh, that's just the right. That's just right. Well, first
Yeah, you should definitely leave the heater all the way, full blast. Like,
well, it is. I'm just like making
I mean, like full blast. I mean, like
Yeah,
you gotta.
it is.
I want to see your seats melting.
So I think so it was leaking. I think I didn't have the hose tight enough. Let's see. It's staying operating temp. How long has it been idling for? I mean, we're gonna let it idle for like another 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, like 10 minutes probably, or 5 minutes. Just to see if it heats up. So my problem was it was heating up on idle. So we suspect it was a thermostat. We didn't really test the thermostat. But who cares? I don't know how much longer we're going to let it sit. Hopefully it doesn't go up. So, it's in operating temp, so it works. We solved the problem, Joe.
Did it?
We did it. You like his fit? It's pretty awesome. So yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next video if it's maybe 9 months later. Who knows? Or in a year?
Honestly,
Who knows? We could be tomorrow. Well, it won't be. Well, it could be tomorrow.
is this all gonna be one video? Was one last time we did?
Do you want to do one video or do you want to do parts? I don't know. We'll figure out. Peace out.